Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you people are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Miss Maryam Mudassir, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will complete our reading of unit number 2, The Mouse Tale and Aesop's Fable. We will also do its questions answers. But first of all, we will do reading. So open your textbook page number 28. Whilst they were nibbling away, the door opened, and in came a man. Nibbling means taking small bites, छोटे छोटे नवाले लेना. The two mice hid behind some Swiss cheese. Hid means छुप जाना. The man came closer, peered in the fruit bowl. Peered means looked closely, creep से देखना, took an apple and left. All clear, said the town mouse. बच्चों जब वो दोनों चूहे खा रहे थे उसी टाइम एक आदमी दरवाज़ा खोल के डाइनिंग रूम में दाखिल हुआ. दोनों चूहे स्विस चीज़ के पीछे छुप गए. आदमी फ्रूट बाउल के करीब आया. उसने एक एप्पल लिया और लेकर चला गया. उसके जाने के बाद टाउन माउस ने कंट्री माउस को तसल्ली देते हुए कहा, घबराओ नहीं, अब सब ठीक है. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ अंडरलाइन द डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. The country mouse, however, was too scared to eat more. Scared means डरा हुआ. In the corner, a large cat had woken up by all the noise. Noise means shore. She padded across to the table and spied the two mice. Spied means take notice, देखना. She pounced on the mice. Pounce means हमला कर देना. The country mouse squealed. Squealed means cheek. Follow me, cried the town mouse, and they both dived into a mouse hole. बच्चों कंट्री माउस इतना डर गया था कि वो और कुछ नहीं खा सका. इसी दौरान कोने में एक बिल्ली जो कि सोई हुई थी उनके शोर से जाग गई और उसने मेज़ के उस पार दोनों चूहों को देख लिया. उसने उन पर हमला कर दिया. कंट्री माउस ये देखकर चिल्लाया तो टाउन माउस ने उसे कहा कि मेरे पीछे आओ और वो दोनों बिल में घुस गए. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ अंडरलाइन द डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. Dear students, it is the last passage of our lesson on textbook page number 29. This is not my idea of fun, the country mouse sniffed. Sniffed means inhale. I'm sorry, cousin, but I am going back to the peaceful countryside. Peaceful means pursukoon. He waved goodbye to the town mouse, setting off for his comfortable little home under a hedge. Setting off means चले जाना, रवाना होना. Comfortable means आरामदेह. A simple, quiet life is much better than a rich but dangerous life. क्वाइट मीन खामोश. बच्चों कहानी के आखिर में एक कंट्री माउस ने टाउन माउस से कहा कि मुझे ऐसा मज़ा नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए मुझे माफ़ कर दो, मैं अपने पुरसकून गांव वापस जा रहा हूँ. उसने टाउन माउस को अल्लाह हाफिज़ कहा और अपने आरामदेह घर की तरफ रवाना हो गया. इस कहानी का मॉरल ये है कि क्वाइट लाइफ उस रिच लाइफ से बेहतर है जिसमें खतरा हो. Students, please underline the difficult words. Now it's exercise time. At textbook page number 29, Understanding Better. Question A. Answer the following questions in your notebooks. Dear students, if you have done your reading attentively, then you can easily find the answers. Question number 1. Why did the town mouse visit the countryside? टाउन माउस गांव क्यों गया था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डिड द ब्राउन कंट्री माउस लुक आफ्टर द टाउन माउस? ब्राउन कंट्री माउस ने टाउन माउस का किस तरह ख्याल रखा था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Why couldn't the brown mouse believe his eyes when he saw the dining table? जब ब्राउन माउस ने डाइनिंग टेबल को देखा तो उसको अपनी आंखों पे यकीन क्यों नहीं आया था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Where did the mice hide and why? चूहे कहाँ छुप गए थे और क्यों? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What did the cat do when she woke up? जब बिल्ली जागी तो उसने क्या किया? And last question, question number 6. Why did the brown mouse go back to the countryside? ब्राउन माउस अपने गांव वापस क्यों चला गया? So students, think about the answers and then write those answers in your notebooks. Here is the answer key of your questions. You can match your answers with this answer key. Answer number 1. Because he wanted to try out life there. Answer number 2. He gave him best piece of grass to sleep on, the tastiest nuts and vegetables to eat. Answer number 3. Because he had never seen so much food before. Answer number 4. They hid behind the cheese. Answer number 5. She spied the two mice. Answer number 6. Because he found town life dangerous. Now it's homework time. Do reading of unit number 2, page number 28-29. Learn and write question answers on your notebooks. Dear students, I hope you will do your work carefully. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.